How to get Telegram Premium for free. Are you tired of missing out on all the exclusive features of Telegram Premium? What if I told you there might be a way to unlock these perks without spending a dime? Stick around, because in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about getting Telegram Premium for free. Telegram Premium offers incredible features like faster downloads, exclusive stickers, and enhanced privacy options. But the big question is, can you get it without paying? Today, I'll show you exactly what options are available, what works and what doesn't. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any crucial details. Once you've opened Telegram, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner. This will open a menu where you can access your profile settings and other features. From there, head to Settings and scroll down until you find the option Telegram Premium. When you tap on, you will see an overview of all the amazing features Telegram Premium offers, like ad-free browsing, larger file uploads, and exclusive tools. But if you scroll further, you'll notice something important. There's no option for a free trial. This means Telegram doesn't currently offer a free trial for Premium, unlike some other subscription services. There isn't a way to test these features without paying. However, there is one alternative. If someone you know already has Telegram Premium, they have the ability to gift it to another user. This is the only legitimate way to access Telegram Premium for free. It's worth asking friends or family members who are already subscribed if they'd be willing to send you a gift. Be cautious of claims about getting Telegram Premium through unauthorized methods, as they can be unreliable and may put your account's security at risk. Always stick to official options to ensure your privacy and safety. If you want to access these premium features, you'll need to subscribe through Telegram's official channels with a monthly or annual plan. So while the idea of getting Telegram Premium for free might be appealing, the only secure and ethical way is through a gift or by paying for a subscription yourself, monthly or yearly. I hope this guide has been helpful in clearing up any confusion. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need more tips, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.